Devin here with OBS Solutions and
Eric with Skies Off-Road Design.
Today let's talk about this rad 97 two-tone F-350. Came to us at the No BS OBS Truck Show complaining about the ride quality of this truck. Eric?
Well, Devin gave me a call and said we wanted to lift this truck and correct some of the suspension geometry. So we're going to kill 3 birds with 1 stone. We're going to throw some crossover steering at it, crossover panhard kit, and those Super Duty springs.
Besides the fact of doing all this lovely suspension stuff to make this thing ride nice, he also said the brakes suck. It steers goofy. So while we're in there, we're going to do cross-drilled rotors up front, redo the brakes in the back. Also want to do ball joints, probably new U-joints in the axles, make sure it's ready to go for hunting season. Live a long life on the road.
So Devin gave me a call and we realized not only can I provide you with the suspension information you need, but through OBS Solutions, we can install the parts as well. The customer told us he wanted a 6-inch lift. So what we're doing is a 4-inch RevTech lift spring and a Super Duty leaf spring shock reversal to keep this thing riding like a dream and save your kidneys. While we're at 6 inches of lift, we can install crossover steering and crossover panhard kit, which helps eliminate tie rod roll and bump steer.
In the rear of this truck, we're going to do 08 to 16 leaf springs. We're also going to do airbags so the customer wants to tow with this truck. Alright everyone, here's all the goodies going in that there truck. Wait, just my hands.